तालियों के साथ हो जाए. Put your hands together everybody for Ollie the Magician.
Mic is on. We're muted for this track and then open up after.
ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing? Are you guys good? Did you just enjoy that? That's magic. Did you guys enjoy that? Yes, my name is Ali and I am the magician and I'm going to be showing you some magic tonight. Are you guys excited? Yes, you guys are looking very beautiful tonight. Hello, say how are you doing? Are you guys good? Are you good? Yes, are you good? Okay, I'm going to show you trick number one. I'm just going to stand right here. Say hello, what's your name? You said, what's your name? Nice to meet you, Muhammad. I am going to show you a trick, Muhammad. I would like you to think of a number between 1 and 5. Do you have a number? No, don't tell me that's not magic. Okay, we're going to start again from the beginning. I would like you to think of a number, but don't tell Ollie the magician. You think you can do that? You can do that? Yes, you can do that. Okay, Muhammad, I am the magician, and you are going to think of a number between 1 and 5. Ladies and gentlemen, this is real magic. I love my job. Muhammad, you're thinking of a number, right? Yes, you are thinking of a number. Do not tell me. Okay, I am going to read your mind. This is called mind reading magic trick. All right? All right. Muhammad, you have a number in your mind, okay? For the first time in history, Muhammad, what number are you thinking about? You can tell me now. You can tell me? You're thinking of 4. Ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to believe this. I'm the world's best magician in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, Muhammad, you have number 4 in your mind. 1, 2, 3, abracadabra. Ladies and gentlemen, number 4, ladies and gentlemen, it's magic. Thank you so much. Okay, you don't seem impressed. I have something special actually in us. And you fold it in half. Okay? You take the middle, you bring it out just like that. Alright? Okay, so that, no cheating, it's fair. 2 ends, fold it in half. You take the middle, you bring it out just like that, and you take the pair of scissors, and I'm going to cut the rope right in the middle, and I should have 2 equal pieces of rope. It's not funny. Sometimes as magicians we make mistakes, but only the magician, I'm a professional, so if I make mistakes I can easily step over just like that. I thought I was going to get a clap there, but that's magic, come on! I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I don't want you're thinking, Muhammad, you think, no, Ali, this is not real. No, this is so real, Muhammad, watch this. A rope, 2 ends. I want to tie the rope. Muhammad, you pay attention. These are the ends of the rope. So if I blow, I go like this, you can actually pull the rope off the end. Everyone, I have the rope with how the end just like that. What? It's magic. Okay. On. Watch this. Ends, rope. You take the ends, you go. It comes back. Whoa! Oh, you like that one, don't you? Okay, but this is my favorite. This is my favorite. When a magician takes a rope, you tie the ends, you go like this. 1, 2, 3. You have the knot just like that. Muhammad, can you see the knot? Yes, it's right here. And the pair of scissors is right here. If you are a true magician, you can also fake this. You go, and now we have 2 ropes tied together. I like this table. They are so kind. Thank you so much for your applause. You guys are so nice. I don't know what these guys are watching, but watch this. Now we have 1, 2 ropes.